Nalor ka jing tre sistem ke bana kapor sa kapor halor ka jing pensuthu si pajba bantip bat bansuthu ya jing sniu jong drugs hene ka singiru ki bor pulit jong Bhoi district la panlong da ka rally nya pai ban pensawa si pajba ban kiar na jing ron kam ya drugs balawan ban rung bha pa jela khamtami ki khon samla ya ka ne ka rally nya pai lasdang na Nongpoh na office trikam jong deputy commissioner bat ya lengba ya kusrok ba national highway bat penkut bat Umiam ki Pulit jong Bhoi district kila syemi ni senjam kum kawai ni kilat kilenti ban pen kan mau syaki pajba bagane ke jingnya ya ki thuk thuk ki babun teli sisnya kan kran ha ki jimut jing perkhat jong ki pajba ki bayu iya kene ke jingnya thuk thuk kintip bagi Pulit ki yalap ya khubor halor ka jing sniu jong drugs ubala tu ya ki jimut jing perkhat jong ki samla ban ngop haune uja jing di bom pesniu om tang yau nong di henry pesniu lang ya ki amlang salang haba penkut ia ketika ralinya baik ki Pulit officer haba jingkiran kilong bagi khun samla ki deban kiar na ke jing peronkam yau neu drugs bat ki bahaya ngasemru ki deban tip bat pet thu bhai lagi jong ki khun samla ia ka yat gayeng khamtam ha ka por ban met bat ban tip ru ia ka sisin jam jong ki haba ki mena yeng
Very good afternoon, everyone. Firstly, I would like to congratulate the Office of Superintendent of Police, Bhoi district, for organizing this bike rally on International Drug Day, Drug Abuse Day. And I would also like to thank our town darbar also, Nongpoh darbar, for collaborating with the Bhoi police and for organizing this event. I would like to say that this is a very serious and sensitive issue, and I think the office of SP Bhoi has taken a very good step in organizing this event to create the awareness on how to prevent this kind of this menace and how to improve the situation with regard to the use of drugs and psychotropic substances, and also that it's a very this problem requires a solution from all the sides, from all the stakeholders of the society. And in this way, our bike rally, this event will go a long way in public outreach and in creating awareness regarding this sensitive issue. With this, I would like to thank you everyone and giving me this.
Sebenarnya ingin play, ubala ingin kena kasi, kena kejemet kebakaman, akbar ngiyo banya sementalang, bahkan ke program kebetulan kami kepala organize nak kalian untuk police department, ada kejidan lang ber-EDC serju. Di kalau ke basnat yang ini bagi sementalang namarkannya ke program kebaidai. But udah drop, kumbang YouTube ini drop the way ni nungsun di samla, udah way nungsun ubah penjat ya Shillong katau, way nungsun ubah penjat ya society hidup Bhoi, kumbang aktif nilai ini dari kemana ada nilai awareness, babon ni samla ni kilajat haune nungsun haune drugs, ubala penop ubala penjat ya kini kesam ya society, kumbang aktif ni sisin balamat no drugs, sisin balanat ya kejingin cuki kena samla, kejingin cuki kakorget haduk kata. Abak kiying kisam kibun kisam jejak kisam ston kuma dan penbaik biang kejingin di kisamlah kalau syak kebae nampak kiying kisam kepas musi itu lemak bakum kini kijak jingjah kilamat hayeng sabki tena kaliang jongka dor basnong ko musuh naik boleh lang ya police department yang berkira kilala ban peniat ya kena program kenang ba kan baik kawin de kinjak program ke banai ke awareness program kawin kanai ke jingkai iki sama jingi badan hane ka thain ke Bhoi ni bakila ban kiar naune uja jingdi buat naune nungsun jok Shillong katau dan tang kini kentiri naik boleh ya police department bahkan leki program bakam bahasyo nampai sama jingi kena makin light ni kini ke jing.
Today, on the occasion of this bike rally organized by our Office of the Superintendent of Police District as an awareness against drugs and to mark the International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking on the 26th June 2023, I would like to say to you that we should all say no to drugs strictly and save our lives and lives of our future generation, and by spreading awareness among our loved ones and our neighbors and in our surroundings. The International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking is marked on the 26th June 2023 to strengthen the action in achieving World Free of Drug Abuse, and the aim of this year's campaign is to raise awareness about the importance of treating people who use drugs by being respectful and non-judgmental. Therefore, persons of all age must understand that the habit of drugs use and abuse not only affects the body but affects our mental as well as physical. So thank you very much for this update.